Just the little juvenile delinquents out here. Oh, nope, there's your grumpy old man. Okay. Well, according to my phone, the phone app says 26 degrees Fahrenheit. My thermometer monitor that I have on the kitchen table while I drink my coffee says 17 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a big difference. Ooh. Okay. So here is the monitor. The thermometer sending unit, excuse me, that sends to the monitor. Well, it does feel pretty cold. It's cold, yeah. Look at, I think he got in a fight yesterday. Look at his tail, all smushed up. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, come on, you guys. You're eating sardines this morning. Okay, I tried to make a cat video yesterday, but it somehow got messed up in my studio on my phone, and so I made a chicken video instead. The chicken video got 0 likes. But they've been getting good likes on these cats. I guess people like cats better than chickens. Well, we don't want to watch my buddy doing his business. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think I'll turn it off, save some room for the sardines. Okay. Ooh, a little ice on that, huh? Well, let's see if they pop right out of the can, or if they're frozen in there. I tested them with the knife, but there still was a little frost on them. Look she don't like sardines. She'd rather have eggs. She sure is picky. Okay. I bought another one of these because I figured that if I have 2 of these, it's worth it. Anyhow,